It's missing, obviously, like worms. It's good growing soil, but it's not really alive yet. 3 to 5 years, it will be much, much better. Seven years ago, as a family, we started doing impact investing. We realized if we really want to make a difference, then we can't stay just an investor, we have to do it ourselves. It's really strange. Well, I like it, but it has this vague hint of French onion soup. For me, it sort of exemplifies all the stuff that is edible that we don't know about. And there's like hundreds and thousands of things like this. Like you're on an expedition almost to sort of figure out like what stuff grows where, how can we use this in our diets. There's always a lot of emphasis on the stuff that we extract from soil, so produce, timber. But ultimately, soil is the thing, and specifically the soil food web, is the mechanism by which all of this stuff is produced. By focusing on soil and caring about it, you make the conditions possible in which all of this abundance is created. I think people should invest in nature because ultimately that way you're investing in yourself, in the people around you, in all the living things around you, all life that you are ultimately very much a part of. My name's Arne Driessen. I'm an impact investor and a regenerative tree farmer.